Hi guys, so our tutorial today is going to be how to make this granny square you see on the screen. Okay, so we have pumpkin stitch here and normal um double crochet, so we can call it granny square pumpkin stitch. Okay, so let's go straight to the tutorial. So I'll be using an acrylic fiber yarn and 2.5 mm hook for this project. Other things are not really necessary, like scissors and measuring tape is not really necessary because it's just to learn this stitch. Okay, so we'll start by making a slip knot, and after that you're gonna chain up 5 and we're gonna count together. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so here we have our 5 chains. We're going to skip 4 chains from the hook and go to the last one, and you're gonna make a slip stitch right there. Okay, so you tighten it and we have a circle. Okay, so the next thing to do is to chain up 3. Okay, we'll go 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so right now you're gonna wrap around the yarn on your hook and go into that circle and wrap around and pull through, and you're gonna hold, go again, wrap the yarn around your hook, insert your hook in the circle, wrap and pull through. Okay, so right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops on our hook. Okay, so wrap around and pull through all loops. Okay, so the last one might be a little tricky, so try not to make it too tight so that you can pull through all. Now you're gonna chain 1 and 2. Okay, so this is the first one. You're gonna go again, wrap around, insert your hook and wrap around, pull through. This is 1. You go again, wrap around, insert your hook in the circle, wrap around, pull through, go again, and this is the third one. So here we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 loops on the hook. You wrap around and pull through all. Okay, now you're gonna chain 2 again, 1 and 2. Okay, so you are repeating this second one again. Wrap around, insert, wrap around, pull through, wrap around, insert, wrap around, pull through, wrap around, insert, wrap around, pull through, and wrap around, pull through all 7 loops. Okay, so that is it for these parts. The first round, chain 2 and repeat again. We are going to make a total of 8 of these bubbles or popcorn. Okay, so guys, we are here at the end of the first round, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay, of the bubbles. Now you're gonna locate the third chain right here and you're gonna make a slip stitch. Okay, I want to take that again, go into the third chain and make a slip stitch. Alright, so this is what the first round looks like. Now for the second round, you're gonna turn and go into that chain 2 space and make a slip stitch. Then you're gonna chain up 3 and wrap around, insert your hook, wrap around, pull through, wrap around, insert, wrap around, pull through. Okay, so you're gonna pull through all. You have 5 loops, remember? Okay, chain up 2. Now in the next chain 2 space, you're gonna make 3 double crochet, and this is the first one and the second one. Sorry, go again. Second one and the third one. So we have 3 double crochet right here, and we're gonna chain up 2, 1 and 2. Now in the next space, we are going to repeat the popcorn stitch. Wrap around, insert, wrap around, pull through, wrap around, insert, wrap around, pull through, wrap around, insert, wrap around, pull through 3 times. Okay, so wrap around and pull through all loops, and that is 7 loops. Okay, after that you chain 2, and in that same space, in wrap around, insert, wrap around, pull through, wrap around, insert 3 times. Okay, and wrap around, pull through all 7 loops and chain 2 again. So in the next space, you're going to make 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. After this, you're going to chain up 2, 1 and 2. Then in the next space, you're going to repeat the popcorn stitch, and in the next you're going to make your 3 double crochet. Okay, so you're going to continue until you get to the end of the round. I'll meet you there to show you what to do next. So guys, we're here at the end of the round. So to finish this up, we're going to do the remaining popcorn stitch, that is wrap around, insert, pull through, wrap around, insert, pull through 3 times, and after that you're going to wrap around and pull through the whole 7 loops, and you're gonna chain 2. Then you're gonna locate the third chain. Okay, locate the third chain and make a slip stitch, and that is the end of the second round, and this is what it looks like. So now for the third round, you turn and you're gonna make a slip stitch in that space. After that, you're going to chain up 3. Is 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so you're gonna make the popcorn stitch just twice and wrap around, pull through 5 loops, and you're gonna chain 2, and you're gonna go into the next space and make 2 double crochet. That is the chain 2 space, 2 double crochet. This is 1 and 2. Okay, so you're gonna make 3 double crochet right on top of the 3 double crochets. So this is 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so after this you're gonna go to the chain 2 space and make 2 double crochets in there. Now that gets us to 7 double crochets, 2, 3 and 2. Okay, so right now you're gonna chain up 2, then go into the space for the popcorn stitch and make your popcorn stitch. So you're gonna wrap around, pull through, wrap around, pull through, wrap around, pull through. That is 3 times, and after that you're gonna wrap around and pull through all 7 loops and chain 2. Repeat the popcorn stitch in that same space, wrap around, pull through, wrap around, pull through, wrap around, pull through 3 times. And after that, you wrap around and pull through all 7 loops. So you're gonna chain 2. So go ahead and repeat this respectively until the end of the round, where I'll meet you to show you what to do next. For the 4th round, you're gonna turn and make a slip stitch in that chain 2 space, and then you're gonna chain 1, 2, and 3. Then wrap around, insert in that same space, wrap around, pull through, wrap around, insert, wrap around, pull through, and wrap around, pull through all loops. Chain 2. In the chain 2 space, you're going to make 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. After this, you're going to make 7 double crochets on top of the 7 double crochets you have. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so in the chain 2 space, you're going to make 2 double crochets in that space, and this gets us to a total of 11 double crochets. That's 7 plus 4, that is 11. After that, you chain 2 and you're gonna make the popcorn stitch here. Okay, then wrap around, pull through 7 loops, chain 2, repeat the popcorn stitch in that same space, wrap around, pull through, insert, wrap around, pull through. Okay, then after this, you wrap around and pull through all, chain 2. So repeat until you get to the end of the round. I'll meet you there to show you what to do next. Okay guys, so you can continue repeating everything until you get the size that you want. You can use this to make a cardigan, you can use it to make a sweater, you can use it to make a top, you can use it to make a skirt, you can use it to make a dress. Okay, so whatever you want to use it for, it is cool. Okay, so we've come to the end of today's tutorial and I hope you guys loved it. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you've not subscribed. Feel free to share your thoughts with me on the comment section down below. See you guys next time. Love you. Bye. Mwah.